Most investors don't lose money because they pick bad stocks.
They lose money because they buy at the wrong time and sell at the worst time.
January 2026 will not reward excitement.
It will reward preparation.
Today, I'm breaking down 5 stocks what smart, long-term investors look for before the crowd wakes up.
Quick clarification before we start.
This is not financial advice, and this is not day trading. These are businesses chosen based on
Balance sheet strength,
cash flow consistency, industry positioning for the next 3 to 5 years. If you're looking for overnight gains, this video is not for you. If you're looking to survive and grow into 2026, stay with me. Market context. Why this matters. Here's the reality most people miss. Markets rarely crash when everyone expects them to. They weaken slowly, rotate capital, and punish impatience. That's why the smartest investors aren't asking, "What's hot right now?" They're asking, "Which businesses will still dominate after volatility?" That question built this list. Stock 1. Stock number 1 is a market leader with pricing power. This company doesn't compete on price, it competes on necessity. Even during economic slowdowns, demand doesn't disappear. What I like most: strong operating margins, predictable revenue, institutional ownership that increases during pullbacks. This is the type of stock professionals quietly accumulate when fear rises. Stock 2. Stock number 2 benefits from long-term structural growth, not short-term trends. It operates in a sector governments, corporations, and consumers cannot ignore.
What stands out?
Low debt relative to cash flow. Consistent reinvestment into growth. A history of outperforming during uncertain markets. This is not a flashy name, and that's exactly why it works. Stock 3. Stock number 3 is where patience pays. It's currently misunderstood by the market. Short-term headlines have pushed attention away, but fundamentals remain intact. Key signals: stable earnings despite noise, insider confidence, long-term demand still rising. These are often the stocks that recover first when sentiment flips. Stock 4. Stock 4 focuses on cash returns, not promises. In volatile environments, companies that generate real cash win. Why this matters: reliable free cash flow, shareholder-friendly management, ability to invest and protect capital. This stock is not exciting. Stock 5. The final stock is about future optionality. It's positioned at the intersection of innovation and scale. Unlike speculative plays, it already has revenue and room to expand. What I watch closely: improving margins, expanding market reach, strong balance sheet discipline. This is how you gain upside without gambling. Big picture message. Notice something important. None of these picks rely on perfect market conditions. They rely on business strength. That's the difference between investing and guessing. Markets will fluctuate. Quality survives. Smart investors don't wait for certainty. If you want more breakdowns like this, follow Finance Martic channel.